Hi, everyone. I'm Emily Austin,
And I am Eric Martin. Together we are the Austin and Martin broker team.
powered by Metropolitan.
And today we want to take a look at what?
We're going to talk a little bit today about how much does it cost to sell your home?
Yeah. And specifically to sell your home in Washington State. Some of these costs will vary from state to state. Generally speaking, regardless of where you're selling, one of the primary costs to selling a house is
Broker commission pay.
Yeah, the commissions. So the firm that you're working with to list the home will charge a commission. That commission gets shared with the broker or the agent that's representing the buyer. So both sides of the transaction are generally paid by the seller.
The brokerages get paid and then they get split down to the brokers.
Yeah, don't think that all of the money comes to us. Well,
It doesn't.
It doesn't. That would be nice, but the brokerages get paid, taxes get paid, marketing expenses get paid, and the brokers or the agents get paid on the transaction.
Yeah,
as
that's
well.
the biggest expense.
Yeah, usually. The next expense that you will incur in the state of Washington
is the excise tax.
Excise tax used to be a flat tax that the state charges on the sale of real property, but it is now graduated. So based on the sale price of the home, will determine how much the excise tax is, which you can see in the chart here. The last thing are other miscellaneous closing costs, and those can be things like the escrow fee, which gets split with the buyer.
Maybe your property taxes. And what happens if you paid them for the whole year?
Property taxes will get prorated. So if you haven't paid them for the year, they'll figure out what your share is and you'll get charged that. If you've already paid them for the full year, you're going to get the amount back that you don't actually own or live in the house. So that'll come back to you. It is also title insurance. So in Washington, every house is sold with title insurance, which protects the buyer against claims against the title, and that is paid for by the seller as well.
Correct.
So that, in a nutshell, are the primary costs that somebody will incur in the state of Washington when selling residential real estate.
Yeah. We hope you found that helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.
And please, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe button. We do them on a regular basis.
Yeah, they're easy to share. They're usually informative. And sometimes a dog will appear.
Yeah, sometimes even humorous. Eric Martin and Emily Austin.
Together we're Austin and Martin broker team. Let us guide you home.
I rest my case.